My gosh, stupid noobs. My gosh, Halo 4 is so hard, right, Yoshi? Charmander, this is crazy. We're getting wrecked. Stupid. You know what? I'm getting kind of thirsty. Yellowbird! Yellowbird, I know you hear me. Get over here.
What do you want, Unperfectness?
You know, I'm quite thirsty. Can you get me some water?
You're thirsty? Charmander, do you realize how thirsty I am? You know how much my throat hurts yelling at you brats all the time?
Can you get it done?
Sometimes you piss me off. Freaking lazy bones! They couldn't even get the water! Damn it! Calm down, Yellowbird. Just think about it. You're perfect, they're not. Everything's fine.
Freaking stupid noobs. Charmander, this red team's destroying us. Yeah, I know this sucks. Where's Yellowbird with that water? He's taking too long. Gosh, took you long enough.
Took you out. Shut up, Charmander!
So annoying.
Yeah, whatever, Unperfectness.
You know what, Yoshi? I'm kinda getting sick of this game.
You know what, me too, this game's too hard.
What should we get next?
I mean, I'm kinda bored of all the games we've been playing. Can we get a new game?
Yeah, Yellowbird, can we get a new game?
You do realize I have to pay all my money, right? I barely get paid for this stupid job.
Yellowbird, calm down. Could you just get us a new game? Charmander, I just thought of something.
What?
We're really good at Nazi zombies.
Oh, yeah.
We could get World at War.
Oh, my
That has the
God.
custom zombie mode.
Yeah.
You idiots! You do realize that's only on PC, right?
Can you get us one more?
Shut up! Just shut up, alright? Just stay right here!
Jeez, what's his problem?
I don't know.
Gosh, I had to go all the way to freaking just to get this stupid game.
My gosh, we're stupid Yellowbird.
It's taking so long.
Yeah. Oh,
Here's
thanks.
your game, Unperfectness!
Thanks, Yellowbird.
You know what, Yellowbird? I'm not even in the mood to play games anymore.
Me neither.
You took so long.
It took forever.
Guys, you do realize this game was not at GameStop. It was... I had to go to Walmart, Charmander.
Too bad, Yellowbird.
It's your fault.
No, I don't even want to hear it, Yellowbird. My gosh, I'm so bored of video games, right, Yoshi?
Yeah, me too. What should we do now?
I don't know.
Maybe we could watch some TV.
And we never do that. We might as well.
Yeah.
Sure. Wait, what the heck's this?
Hey guys, this is the best toy we sell in my store. This, it's awesome, it's great, it's amazing, it's good. Really good. It's made by Fisher Price, alright. You wanna see what it does? That was amazing. It's only $112.
Oh my gosh! I want that toy!
That toy's amazing!
It's the best thing of all time!
We gotta get that Charmander!
Yellowbird!
What now,
You see that on TV?
What?
Yeah, you see that? Can you get that for us?
Charmander?
It's awesome! You can make cars go down that and stuff.
You guys are so... Oh my gosh. How much does it cost?
Oh, $112.
You command me to get it to $112?
You have to get it for us now because you beat us up.
I'm not getting that Hot Wheels set for you!
That's not Hot Wheel.
It's I don't even know Fisher Price!
Yeah, it's cool.
Shut up, Yoshi! Unperfect green bean! You know what? It's okay, Charmander. It's okay, Yoshi. You know what? I'll get it for you guys. Just stay here.
Better.
Gilbert's acting kind of different.
He's stupid.
Yeah, he is.
Oh my gosh, hurry up.
Hurry up!
That thing is as heavy as a bowling ball.
Finally, Yellowbird, go.
Gosh, this thing looks so amazing!
It's really
It
cool.
looks so awesome!
Yeah.
Hey, you guys do realize this was $112, right?
Yeah.
Guys, I'm amazing, so I can literally buy anything you want, but I'm not going to because you're unperfect.
You just did. Whatever.
Just bullshit. You know, Charmander, how do you use this in the commercial? He said to push the car down. Well, he did something like that.
Shut up. Wait, you hear that?
Charmander.
Is that what I think it is?
Is that ice cream?
The ice cream truck!
We gotta get ice cream, Charmander.
Yellowbird!
Yellowbird.
Oh my gosh, this unperfectness has probably got germs all over me. I gotta go take a shower.
Yellowbird! 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 The ice cream truck's outside!
I knew you were gonna ask for that! I freaking knew it! Well, when I first heard it, I was like, oh gosh, ice cream truck. And then you guys came.
Come on, Yellowbird!
How disgraceful, Charmander! This ruckus! You know what? Okay!
Wait, Yellowbird, can we go with you?
You know what? No! I'm going by myself. So you two unperfect freaks have to tell me which ones you want.
I want SpongeBob!
I want. You know what? I want Spider-Man. No. I want. I want SpongeBob.
You two little fairies both want the same one. Whatever. SpongeBob it is. Hopefully the ice cream truck doesn't leave.
Oh my gosh, he's taking forever, right?
Yeah, I know. He takes forever.
I know, tell me about it. Thanks, Yellowbird. My gosh, it's so good!
Charmander, these are delicious.
So amazing.
I know.
Alright, guys. Do you unperfectnesses like your SpongeBob popsicles?
Yeah, they're pretty good.
Yeah, but they're still not good enough.
Yeah, they're not really that good.
Not? Not good enough! Then what is good enough unperfect lunatics?
I don't know.
You know what? You guys are gonna drive me crazy with all this! What is good enough?
I don't know.
You know what, Yellowbird? Just get out of here.
Whatever.
Yeah,
Whatever.
that'll be good
Whatever.
enough.
I'm not gonna be seen with you unperfectnesses anyways.
So weird.
This is really good, though.
Fucking hate Charmander! Ungrateful! I hate his stupid friend Yoshi too. They always make fun of me! Always commanding me to do all that stuff. I have to waste all my money on them! And they said it's not good enough. Oh, not good enough. Oh, not good enough. You know what? Calm down, Albert. Calm down. Who cares about those fools? You can just use your computer.
Yellowbird, what's going on,
Craig! You can't sneak up on me like that! Craig, you don't understand, man. It's your fault! You're the one that snuck on me!
What was that anyway?
You know what, Craig?
What was
Get
that?
out of my room!
What was that?
I don't... Oh.
You really want to know? Febreze, air effects, apple, and spice. You smell like that now.
Okay.
Here!
No.
Ugh.
Oh, hey, old guy, my best pal.
Oh, OMG, Craig, that's your laptop?
Sure is.
Ugh, that's cool.
That's my laptop!
Don't listen to him, he's a bit crazy today.
Shut up! Just shut up! That's my laptop! Stop lying, Craig!
Don't ruin this for me, come on, man. He thinks I'm cool.
Oh, don't ruin this for me. You're not cool, alright? Sorry to ruin your dreams, Craig, but you're just a crocodile. You belong in the sewers.
Yeah, that is my laptop.
That's really cool. I know it's his problem. Ugh. Craig? What's wrong with him?
I don't know, I guess he's just jealous or something.
What's wrong with me?
Shut up!
Oh,
Oh, God, your eye came out!
no problem. Oh, no problem. Let me fix it. Oh. Man, this happens so often.
How old are you?
I forget. Oh, Craig, by the way, you know what we gotta do? We gotta play some, lay-in games.
Yeah!
Oh, this is gonna be awesome. We can have, a lay-in party. Okay! What? Ooh. I need to fix your eye. This is just disturbing to look at.
Man, it's so weird.
Oh, okay. I think it's back.
You can't have it, Craig!
Wait. Hold up. I thought this already was Craig's.
It is. It is.
Fine! You know what? Yeah, it's Craig's! It's Craig's! It's Craig's!
What's his problem?
I don't know that guy. That guy's a maniac.
He sure is. Freaking stupid zombie. Oh, dang it, my controller died!
Oh, that sucks, Charmander. You're gonna die from the zombies.
No, I'm
Yes,
not!
you are.
Yellow bird!
I can hear you!
Yellow bird!
Ow! Who lived on a couch in Mario's house? Charmander!
Yellow bird, can you get me batteries for my controller?
Oh, batteries for your controller, Charmander. I thought I wasn't good enough.
Oh, yeah, you are, right, Yoshi?
Whatever.
Yeah, can you get me batteries?
Whatever, on perfectness. What batteries does it even require?
Double A's.
Double A batteries, Charmander. You don't understand. I only have $5 on my debit card.
You're gonna have to get it.
No. No! You don't understand all the struggles you've been putting me through. I bought you so much stuff to deal with it.
You get me batteries?
Fine. Don't worry, Charmander. Don't worry, Yoshi. I'll get you some batteries. I'll get you a cupcake while I'm at it.
You never asked for it.
Why is he acting so weird?
Hey, Yellow Bird!
What, Green Bean?
Yellow Bird, I thought you said this had custom zombies!
Yeah, why'd you say that?
Look, idiots! I never said that I had custom zombies! That's only on the PC version, morons!
Well, can we use your PC then?
Charmander, don't even bring up my laptop right now, alright? There's been stuff something happened to my laptop.
What did you get a virus or something?
No. You know Craig?
Yeah.
He took it! And freaking old guy was there. He was a witness! Sure, just don't speak of it right now! I'll get your stupid batteries!
Okay, jeez.
I don't know, it's his problem. What? Should I just pause this?
Yeah, I guess. Oh my gosh, I love playing Lego games, right, Yoshi?
Yes, but Charmander, what do you think about this? Should I buy that character?
Yes.
Yes! I've been waiting so long to buy him.
Oh, hey, on Perfect This is.
Oh, hey,
what
Yellow Bird.
What you guys up to?
Nothing really.
Yeah, we're kind of just playing this game.
Yeah.
Oh, that's pretty cool. It's pretty cool. What do you guys want now?
We're good for the moment.
Yeah, at the moment.
Yeah, at the moment. We're definitely gonna need more stuff.
Of course you are. At the moment. At the moment. What do you mean? I just got paid. I can buy you stuff, Charmander.
Oh, it's fine, Yelbert. It's fine.
Yelbert, calm down. We're okay.
Yeah. Wait, who's that at the door?
It's okay. It's okay. Stay put, guys. I'll get it.
The heck? He's acting so weird.
Yeah.
Oh, hey, wait, you're not Charmander.
Oh, hey, Jack.
Oh, hey, Albert.
What are
Don't
you
tell me
doing
shit.
here?
I just came back from vacation at Chuck E. Cheese, you know.
Come on. Your unperfect friends are over here.
Oh, okay.
Oh, hey, unperfect. This is
Yellowbird?
Someone's here to see you.
Oh, hey, guys.
Oh, hey, Jack.
Oh, hey, Yoshi.
Hey, Jack.
Wait, what the heck? You have a lot of stuff here.
Yeah, it's pretty cool.
I mean,
All right, guys, if you don't mind, I gotta go use the restroom.
I was on vacation at Chuck E. Cheese, but I got a lot of toys. Not as much as this. Insane.
Yelbert got us this. It's not
Yeah,
that big
yeah,
of
it's not that big of a deal.
I'm gonna touch it. Oh, it's so cool.
Who cares, Jack? We're just trying. As you can see, we're trying to play this game.
You guys playing without me?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's not that big of a deal.
Screw you guys. I guess I'll just watch.
Oh, we don't want anything at the moment. Oh, let's bring Jack over. Freaking. Alright, let's calm down, Albert.
I gotta go take a whiz.
Something wrong?
Yes, I'm bored.
Oh,
That sucks.
Wow. So this is how it's gonna be the whole time. You got add me a friend too, you know.
oh yeah. Forgot about that.
How'd you forget about me?
I mean, let's be honest. When was the last time you came over?
It's been months, Jack.
I'm still your friend. That counts.
Oh yeah, sure.
Doesn't mean. What am I supposed to do?
Look, Jack, I'll give you two options. It's either you watch us play the whole day, or you get out of here.
Guess I'll watch you play.
Oh my god. Freaking out. I had to wash my hands like 50 times so I can be perfect. It's so stressful. Who hit me? Who the hell hit me?
What's wrong with you, Yellow Bird?
You know what, Toad? You don't just do something like that!
It was a prank, man.
You don't mess with perfect legends.
It was just a prank.
Oh, a prank. Everything's a joke to you! What ails you, Toad?
Oh, it's just a joke.
You know what, Toad? I'm not just gonna let something like that slide. No.
Ow! 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 Oh.
This is no. This is too easy. This needs to be done.
Yellow Bird! Yellow Bird! Yellow Bird, we can talk about this! We can talk about this!
Toad.
We can talk about this!
Stay still! Yeah.
Wait, what the heck was that?
Wait, what the heck?
Come on, guys.
Yeah.
What the heck?
Charmander. Yoshi, where are you?
Oh shoot, come on guys. Yo, what's insane? Guys, come on, we can hide here.
Oh my gosh, he's really lost it.
Yeah.
Oh,
You know what? He's killed Toad. And he's trying to kill us too. You see that freaking hammer he's holding?
yeah.
You know what? I have an idea. Gotta call the police on him.
That's a good idea, call them.
Bust him.
Okay. 911.
Hello.
Hi, is this the cops?
Yes, this is the cops. What's your emergency?
Okay. There's this crazy guy. He's trying to kill us. He already killed one of our friends. He had a hammer in his hand. He's crazy.
Oh.
He's trying to kill us next. Can you please come here as fast as possible?
Alright, I'll be there. Man, I don't get paid
Alright.
enough to do this job.
He's on his way, guys.
Alright, good.
Good.
That's gotta be him. That's gotta be him,
We
guys.
gotta hurry up.
Yeah, I know I'm Officer Strongbottom. I know I'm cool and everything.
We know so.
I heard something about a guy with a hammer.
Oh my gosh. Yes.
Yeah. Come on, you gotta help us out. He's insane.
Oh my gosh, he's crazy.
Yo.
Okay, where is this criminal at?
He's over there.
He's over there.
He's over there.
Okay. Oh my gosh! What happened to this man?
I think he killed him.
Yo.
Yeah, he's dead.
Wait, what the heck?
Oh, you arrived. And you brought a
Wait,
guest.
hold on. Did you kill this man? Did you?
Oh,
Say it! Did you kill him? Yes! Alright, you're coming with me. Alright, you're coming with me. You have the right to remain silent. Stop resisting!
What the hell?
you moron! You do realize what you just caused, right? You don't make a yellow bird angry.
Oh, that ain't cool, man. Put the gun down.
Put the gun down, huh? Why don't you put your ugly face down?
Okay, look. You get some time in prison, but not as much if you shoot me.
Oh, don't worry. I don't think I'm going to prison at all.
Yes, you are. Put the gun down.
No, you should leave before something happens.
What, are you gonna shoot me with that?
I might.
We can talk about this, man.
Talk about what?
Your worthless career.
That's right.
Freaking pig.
Oh my gosh, he just killed a cop. Come on, guys. Let's get out of here. Oh my gosh! Okay, Yellowbird's after us. He's gonna try to kill us. He killed our friend Toad. He killed that cop.
Charmander, I think we gotta hurry. I think he might be following us.
Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh, where should we hide?
I don't even know. There's like no hiding.
This is crazy. He's so crazy, guy. Jack, where are we supposed to hide?
I don't know. This is creepy.
Yoshi, what should we do? He's after us.
Charmander, our best hiding spot right now would be behind that tree.
Alright. Okay, you'll never find us over here.
Where are those kids? Where are those unperfects? Where could they be? Where could they possibly be in such an area like this? I could have sworn I heard their voices. What? Okay, no. No, that's not them, that's not them. That's fine, that's fine. Where could they be? Hold on. I think I saw something. No. I could have swore social dog. Jack, you should have ran with your friends. Next, Charmander. Yoshi! Come on, Yoshi!
Yellowbird, please, I'm sorry. I promise I won't ask for stuff.
Oh, Yoshi. You know all the stuff you put me through on Perfect Death?
Yellowbird, show mercy.
No. Yellowbird? No. I don't show mercy. I'm too perfect for that. You know, like, I'm 1,000% perfect. Well, probably more than that now. You know, Yoshi, you're probably like 0.5% perfect. Like, you know, you're not as perfect, but you're still pretty perfect, I guess.
Yellowbird, you just got off topic.
Oh yeah?
Yoshi! Ooh.
Freaking unperfectness. Where's Charmander?
My gosh, I have to save myself. Oh my gosh. Gosh. Okay. Yellowbird can't get me from on the slide. He can't get me from up here.
That unperfectness really thought I didn't see him? Charmander, you're so stupid! Gotta calm down, Yellowbird. Keep your voice down, you don't want him to hear you. Okay. This is too hard. Okay, Yellowbird. Okay, I saw him go over here. Okay. I saw Gingerbread Man at. Okay.
Oh my god!
Charmander, get back here, Charmander! Charmander, you're a dead man.
No, I'm not.
Charmander! Freaking gingerbread man! Charmander? Okay. Yeah, I think that's all of them. I think that's all of them. This kind of sucks, you know. And I know they're on Perfect, but you know, kind of sucks now. I have no friends now. Who am I supposed to bother or hang out with? This is so stupid, man. Like, what am I supposed to do? You know. Oh, thank goodness. I'm gonna go to the bathroom. Alright, that was a good bathroom break. But you know, my life still sucks though. You know, I know I'm perfect, but you know, I still need friends. You know, like, you know, that's not what I want to do. You know, I didn't mean to kill them. It's just, you know, they kept asking for all that stuff. You know, it just put me in a rage. It made me feel like I was insane. You know, I just had to cut them out of my life. No, like, now I feel depressed and stuff. You know what?
Sometimes I just want to stare. I just like to stare at the woods. I just want to stare at the woods. Just want to stare.
So hard to be perfect. Freaking hate my life. Okay, calm down, Yellowbird. Just take a break. Take a break from being perfect. And that's why you should never be ungrateful.
That was the worst bedtime story ever.
Yeah,
that was
stupid.
pretty lame.
Shut up! Shut up, how perfect this is! That was the best story I ever told!
No, it wasn't.
Yes,
Why'd
it
you
was.
kill all of us in that story?
Why did I kill him?
No, all the stories you kill all of us.
Yeah, whatever, Gingerbread Man! I'm glad I killed all of you! You don't mess with a perfect legend!
That makes
And-
no
Hey.
sense.
It was in the story, Yellowbird.
Calm down, Yellowbird.
Calm down. Whatever, alright? So, what do you guys think of the story?
It was lame.
Yeah.
We told you we don't like it.
Just stop telling us these stories, Yellowbird.
Fine, whatever, I won't tell you.
Stop telling us these little crazy Yellowbird stories. I'm getting sick of them.
Yeah.
That tongue is crazy. Shut up! Alright, I'll stop telling you! I'll stop telling you these freaking stories!
So weird.
Yeah.
You know what? Go to bed, brats!
Okay.
Freaking weirdos. I'm perfect at this!
They're actually cool. I gotta respect their opinions. I shouldn't tell these stories anymore. They were getting scarred. You know? I don't want them to think I hate them or anything. You know? One day, they'll join my perfect group. We can all be perfect. But you know, I'm gonna be like feeling true and like so much percent perfect. Like they'll still be pretty perfect, but not as perfect as me. You know, but you know, I gotta give them a chance. You know, I gotta toughen them up. That's days to come. You know what? They're pretty nice kids. Sweet dreams.